MachineBuilder Quick Tips video on the snapping increment. The snapping increment is the unit of spacing used when designing in MachineBuilder and can be changed from the unit's drop-down menu in the top nav bar. Now, the snapping increment serves two main purposes. The first is for attaching new components to your existing structure. You'll notice as you bring a new component over, these connector icons will appear at set distances equal to your selected snapping increment. The second use is for translating components. After a component has already been attached to another, there are some cases where you can still slide it to another location. The snapping increment dictates the jump distance that these parts will slide. Changing the snapping increment to another unit will change the resolution of both the translation as well as attaching new components to your structure.